like the video. The base is done. Now I'll make grooves for the mirror. I am just a beginner carpenter. Your subscribe could change everything. I can't even lip sync on TikTok. I used natural polish on the lamp. Now that the base is ready, it's time to cut the round mirror, also called a one-way mirror. I'll polish the mirror edges at a commercial area. Everything is done. What do you think of my idea? Share your thoughts in the comments. You can use any candle, real flame or battery operated. This is absolutely amazing. Have a nice day.